shop here at Opry Mills shopping mall in, see, they call it Rainforest Cafe. It's kind of cute, unique. Oh, they even have like this name. So, wow. I just come inside. I'm not supposed to come inside, but we got curious. 2 for 25. Oh, I see. They have a restaurant here. Oh, I should have eaten him. And the snake is moving a bit. Oh, this is nice. Unique butterfly. Souvenir shops. Oh, they have this one. Strong. And this one is 18. Wow. And this one 6. Okay. So I just want to show you guys this place. Rainforest Cafe with souvenir shop, with souvenir items, toys, t-shirts, everything. Mugs. And that's the restaurant. Oh, they have this live fish. Wow. Nice. I didn't notice this one earlier. See that? People are there. I'll end this here, I think.